晚安，歡迎大家嚟到我哋嘅7點鐘天氣預告。我哋睇下星期一同星期二係會凍嘅喎，凍咧就有 cold、chilly， 即係有少少涼意 ；freezing， 即係凍到好似喺雪櫃入邊咁凍；icy， 咁我哋就會形容一啲路啊或者一啲表面結冰。
A bit cold today, isn't it?
It's not just cold; it's freezing cold. Can't you see those icy roads outside?
No, it's just chilly to me.
下星期三咯喎，哇！突然間好熱喎，咁熱就固之然有 hot， 跟住就係 boiling hot， 係熱到滾咁熱啊。然後咧就有好適合形容我哋香港嘅夏天 humid， 即係好潮濕啦。然後 stifling， 即係焗促到唞唔到氣咁解啊。我哋快啲去睇下星期三嘅情況啦。
God, I'm so hot today, I'm sweating.
Wait, you mean it's boiling hot outside, right?
Yes. It's so humid and stifling. Yeah, I can't really breathe. By the way, am I hot today?
星期四、星期五大風，咁大風咧都有唔同嘅強度，最微風 gentle breeze， 大風 strong high wind， 強風 gale， 龍捲風 hurricane。到大家都好期待嘅 weekend 喎，好可惜係落雨嘅。咁雨勢咧都有唔同嘅，最弱嘅雨 shower， 大雨 heavy rain， 傾盆大雨 downpour， 水浸嘅話就係 flood。好啦，咁我哋睇下星期六日嘅情況啦。
It was absolutely pouring down last night.
Oh yeah, I know, right? It went from shower to heavy rain to downpour in just 15 minutes.
Luckily, the road didn't get flooded. Otherwise, I can't go to work today.
Hard working.